As the weather starts to cool down, we often enjoy these shorter days by getting back out into our garden. But those cooler temperatures also mean that the leaves are going to start dropping off of the trees. And before they get too severe, we want to make sure to cover our water garden to prevent those leaves from going to the bottom of the pond. When those leaves do settle at the bottom, they often decay and release toxic gases for our fish. So in order to prevent that, we're going to put a covering or a netting over our pond. And there are several different ways to go about this. There's a lot of different products on the market that you can find. Some come with fiberglass poles that actually kind of create a tent or a canopy over your water garden. And then some are just nets that will lie parallel to the water surface. One thing you want to keep in mind is the size of the holes on your net. So you want to also consider what trees you have around, whether you have large oak leaves or maybe you're trying to prevent pine needles from getting into your water garden. Because this might not do as well for pine needles, but it will do well to protect those large leaves. There's also nets that might have grommets on the ends so that you can secure it better around your water garden. But this is just a simple fruit net that we use over our fruit trees to protect them from birds that we're also going to put over our water garden. So it can be just that simple. What we're going to do is stretch this over our water garden. And you might notice that we still have some tropical plants, and that's okay. The forecast is showing that the temperatures are still going to be pretty nice out. And the nice thing about this netting is it's pretty thin, so it doesn't distract from us enjoying our water garden and our water features still. When the forecast changes and we start to see that there's going to be cooler temperatures in our future, we'll of course take in our tropical plants into our greenhouse. If you have tropical bog plants or water plants that you want to save, you also will want to bring those into a warmer environment. If you're going to just let them pass for the year and buy new ones next year, then you still want to make sure to remove them out of your water garden for the winter time, just for the same reason that you want to remove those leaves that might be falling from your trees. This is when a little effort will save you a headache later.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.